Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch these videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll show you how to install Google Tag Manager to your website, and we're going to be showing you different methods. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get started. So you can see over here, I have already created a Tag Manager account for this website. Okay, so we are going to be setting up or installing Google Tag Manager to this website. Okay, so for installing Google Tag Manager to your site, we need to go to the admin panel or backend panel of this website. This is a WordPress CMS. So for going to the admin panel of this website, we just need to enter our website URL. Then we're going to be writing /wp-admin. Okay, perfect. Then we need to provide the username. Okay, so I'll provide the username and password. I'll quickly enter the password. Just wait a little bit. So I'm gonna click on login. Then the first method or the first way we're gonna be showing you is using this appearance section. So we'll be clicking on the appearance and we'll click on theme file editor. Okay, it might take some while. Just wait a little bit, then we'll navigate to I'll click on I understand. We'll navigate to header.php. Okay, perfect. Then we'll scroll down a little bit. Then we're gonna be going to this header section. Okay, I'm gonna press enter. Then I'll go to the tag manager and click on this, and I'm gonna copy the head code from here and paste the head code in the head element. Okay, then I'll go to the body element, and this is the body element. I'm gonna press enter again. I'm gonna remove some space. Then I'll copy the body code from here, and I'm gonna paste the body code over there. Okay, then I'll click on update file. So let's see whether tag manager has been inserted on this website using theme file appearance section or not. So I'll click on preview section. Then I need to provide the website URL, which is this one. So I'm gonna copy the website URL from here and paste it over here. Then I'll click on connect. Just wait a little bit. Then you can see over here tag assistant connected. Okay, so let's go to this section. Then you can see over here tag assistant connected and these events are firing. Okay, so this is one of the ways to set up or to install Google Tag Manager to a website. Okay, so let's go to the second option. So for going to the second option, we're gonna be removing these codes. Okay, so from the head element, I'm gonna erase the code and click on update file, and I'm gonna go to the body section and I'm gonna erase this code as well and click on update file, because we're gonna be seeing the plugin options. Okay, so we're gonna be adding some plugin, and using this plugin we're gonna be inserting Google Tag Manager code. Okay, so I'm in the plugin section and I have clicked on add new plugin, and I'm gonna search for a plugin called insert header footer. Okay, I'm gonna click on search button from this section. Then you can see over here WP code, insert headers and footers, or you can use this option. Actually, they have bunch of plugins, so you can use any of them. So I'm gonna use the first one and I'll click on install now. And I'm gonna quickly activate this plugin. Okay, then if you scroll down, then you'll see an option called code snippets. Then if you hover over it, then you'll have this option called header and footer. So I'm gonna click on it. Just wait a little bit. Then you can see there is a header option and there is a body option. So I'll go to the tag manager and copy the head code and paste it in the header section. And I'll copy the body code and paste it in the body section. And I'm gonna click on save changes. Okay. So you can see over here, header and body codes are there. So let's check from the preview section whether uh, tag manager is connected or not. So uh, right now we can check whether tag manager is connected on a particular website or not using this extension called tag assistant. Okay, so let's go to this website and let's check whether GTM is available for this website or not. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this plugin. So it is loading, just wait a little bit. So you can see over here, no tags found. Okay, so uh, I didn't make any submission. That's why the tag manager is not available there. So whenever I will submit this changes, then it will be there. Okay, so let's preview it. Okay. Then I'm going to provide the website URL and click on connect. So tag manager should be there. You can see over here, tag assistant connected. And if I go to this section, then you can see the connected option. Okay, so let's submit these changes and let's go to this website again after submitting. Okay, it is still submitting. Now let's refresh this website. And you can see over here, tag manager is connected. Okay, perfect. Let's see another option, which is, let's go to the website backend again, /wp minus admin. So you can use any of these methods. You don't need to use all of them. You can either use this appearance section or insert header product plugin, or if you want, you can use this plugin as well. Okay, so I'll go to the first of all, I'll remove this tag manager code from the header footer element. Okay, this one as well, and I'll click on save changes, and I'll go to the plugin section again, add new plugin. Okay, I'm gonna search for GTM for WP. This one. Okay, so it is already there most probably. Yeah, Google Tag Manager. So I had previously installed this plugin. That's why it is already there. So what you need to do, you need to install this plugin and then activate it. Okay, then if you go to the settings portion and click on Google Tag Manager, then you will be able to insert the Google Tag Manager ID. So I'm gonna copy this ID. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly copy this ID and replace this ID for showing you. Okay, perfect. Then make sure you have this container on and you need to click on save changes. Okay, perfect. Then let's go to our website. For example, from this section, visit site. And let's click on this option, tag assistant. It's loading. So you can see over here Google tag found testing website e-commerce GTM TD TF. So let's match this GTM TD TF. So this is how you can install Google Tag Manager to a website. Okay, so hopefully this video will be helpful for you. If you think this is the helpful video for you, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.